In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for reporting. By the end, you'll have a clear management reporting setup using a ready-made template, plus the key views you need to monitor progress without building anything from scratch. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. This is the easiest way to access your workspace from anywhere. Once the page loads, click Login. Sign in with your usual method and make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams, so your reports pull from the right data. Inside ClickUp, look for the plus icon, typically near the top or along the sidebar. Click it to start creating. Instead of creating a new item manually, choose Templates. Using a template saves time and ensures you follow a consistent reporting structure your team can trust. In the template modal, use the search bar and type Management Report. This narrows the results to reporting-focused packs that often include dashboards, views, and docs designed for leadership updates. Take a moment to review the summary to confirm it matches what you need, usually something that aggregates task status, owners, and timelines. When you find the right one, click Use Template. You'll likely be prompted to choose where to add it, such as a specific space or folder. Pick the location your stakeholders will expect to find reports. If you see options to include sample data, it can be helpful for understanding the layout at first. You can remove samples later once you're confident. Click Use Template again to confirm and start the import. Give ClickUp a moment to build the structure. Staying on the page until it finishes helps avoid partial setups. After the template is in place, open the Getting Started guide. This built-in document explains how the pieces work together and what fields your tasks should have for the reports to display correctly. Skim it now so you know where to update owners, due dates, or custom fields that feed the dashboards. Next, open Management Reports. This is your central hub for high-level insights. You'll see curated views that roll up data from across your workspace. If needed, adjust filters for things like space, assignee, or time frame to focus the report on your team's work. Finally, click Report Status. Use this view to see what's on track, what's blocked, and what needs attention. If something looks off, it usually means tasks are missing, required fields or statuses weren't updated. Fix those and the report will refresh automatically. And that's it. You've logged in, applied a proven template, reviewed the guide, and opened your core management report and status view. Everything you need to start reporting confidently in ClickUp.